Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I remain myself the great Johnsonkeyz. Right, so today I'm going to show you how to apply your minor 11 chord voicings, right? Okay, so right. So but before that, let me quickly explain what's your minor 11. So let's be in the key of F. So if you're going to have F minor chord, to be watching this video, you should know all this already. We have your F minor chord is your F, A flat, and C. And then F minor 7 chord is F, A flat, C, and E flat, right? So now to have your 11, this is your 7th, 8th, 9th, right? Then 10, then your 11. So we're gonna have this, right? So but then for the sake of this class, we'll be rearranging this to go this way. So instead of having it like this, we're gonna have this. So we're gonna have the F, C, G, A flat, E flat, G, and then B flat. Right, so that's how we came about this. So but then we're gonna be using the one for D. So let's go to practicals and see some of the stuff we have. So we have let's do this song For You Are Great. So we're gonna use this on 6-2-5-1. So let's go. For you are great, you do miracles. So then you go to the chord. Great, there is no one else like you. Right? There is no one else like. So what chords did I use? I used so on the left I have a D, A, E, F, C, E, G. You should write that down, please. Write it down, please. I don't want to see comments like it's too fast. It's because you are not writing. When you want to learn, you write. D, A, E, F, C, E, G. Right to. You take that down chromatically to the D flat, A flat, E flat, E, B, E flat, and G flat. You can go over that again. Then to your 5, we have a C, G, D on the left. Then on the right, we have a E flat, B flat, D, and F. Then to my F minor, F13 rather, not minor, F13. Then to your 4. Right. So for you are to do miracles so there is no one else like you. There is no one like you. Don't forget to get my intermediate piano course to learn very well. Right, the link to get that will be in the comment section. God bless you. Bye.